I was maybe out for a lot less time than I thought I was, which was really nice. I only missed one game for Leeds, and but I was gutted to miss the last camp with Wales. It's hard to watch from afar and not be able to influence anything. So yeah, I'm itching to go. I've put myself in a good position. I feel good mentally, physically to really put a stamp on this week and really help out the team. We've obviously got some big names missing. Ben being our captain is obviously a big miss, but we have a lot of big players in the squad, and we can't really think about that, even if he is a massive miss for us, because on the pitch what he does, but also how he leads off the pitch as well. So but I think it's been great, because I think if you look at all the players, everyone's had minutes. The manager always looks on people coming through and giving them minutes, and Dylan's one of them. Of Kazakhstan was his debut. I thought he was absolutely brilliant coming into it and coming into the game, and I thought that really shows the trust the manager has in players, and that pathway to say that I'm a senior player is the same with club level as well. It doesn't really feel like it, because I think you always have that young mind, and you still feel 20, 21 when you were coming through and just starting out. So especially for Wales as well, I look back of the last 8 years, and it's been an absolutely brilliant road, and the pride to play for Wales, and you just got to make the most of it every time you put that shirt on.